2017 निलंबित करून बडतर्फ केल्ल्या कांचन चोडणकाराक परत सेवेन घेवचो म्हूण हायकोर्टाची ऑर्द.
Now he was dismissed on the ground that there were certain FIR which came to be registered against him, and on mere registration of an FIR, on an apprehension that no witness will come and participate in a regular inquiry and the offences are grave in nature, he was dismissed from service without holding a regular departmental inquiry, against which we had come here and challenged that order of dismissal termination which was imposed against him. Today the Honorable High Court, while setting aside that order, have clarified that the grounds which were noted in the order of dismissal were no good grounds because there were no reasons cited, and the reason which was actually cited, that there is no likelihood of witness participating in this departmental inquiry, in fact was not a good reason. The other reason which was cited, that the offences are grave in nature and therefore no regular departmental inquiry ought to have been conducted, that reason also has been termed as no good reason, and he has been directed to be reinstated in service with liberty to the department to propose an inquiry if they deem it appropriate. So the Honorable High Court, while allowing the petition, have set aside the order of dismissal which was imposed in year 2007 and have directed reinstatement within a period of 1 week.
So it means he will come into service after 18 years?
Yes, indeed, because when he was dismissed from service just 3 months prior to that, in May 2007, he was suspended.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.